gi TV.
Joriemb apiko motisi ni Around Afrca katiyo kanyakla gi Citizen Digital mane bwok kambi mar All Media Services biro chako chenro margi malorore Afrika mangima kaka yor choko omenda mabiro konyo siro somb jopuonjre maonge e nyalo e pacho ka. Riwruoge ariyogo oseketo kokgi e winjruok ma kamano ka chenrono igeto kete ayanga tarik 12 dwe mar 12 higani kendo ibiro chakore ayanga ka lamo ma Nairobi Chapel ka gibiro chomo kaunti mar Marsabit ka gitiyo gi apaya ma Thika Super Highway kanya bang'e gibiro wuok kendo dhi e nyime pinje maoko mag Afrika.
We are circumnavigating the continent of Africa. Our aim is to reach the 4 extreme points of Africa: the easternmost part, the western, the southern, and the northern. And the reason why we're doing this is first to be able to celebrate the beauty and the diversity of Africa, to make history as Kenyans, but most importantly, for us to be able to help in the establishment of the Logos Endowment Fund, which is a fund that supports needy students through high schools and universities to educate them for life and for eternity. We'll be accompanied by many other bikers as we tour the continent of Africa and be able to share with you our experience as Kenyans making history. That's Around Africa on motorcycle.
We're looking forward to receiving content from the bikers. It's innovation in the way that they'll be recording it from their caps, I believe, the video cameras on their caps, and just showing our audiences on Citizen Digital and our platforms what Africa looks like, the sights and sound of Africa. The other reason, of course, is supporting a cause that is dear to us, and that's on education for needy students, that being the core reason why Royal Media Services is owning this partnership. So we're looking forward to a safe ride around Africa, and our viewers, please stay engaged, plug into our platforms and follow these 7 bikers. Let's support them from wherever we'll be on our screens, on Citizen Digital platforms and Royal Media Services.